Hello viewers, let's continue our LeetCode 75 series where we have solved two questions of a binary tree and now we have to solve count good node in a binary tree. So what this question is telling, given a binary tree node, a node X in a tree is named as good if the path from root to X there are no nodes with the value greater than X. Okay. So what this you just have to return the number of good node in a binary tree. So what are the good nodes? So here is the 3 is already good node because the starting node is always good, and and after this from there is pair given 3 and 4. So what is the maximum value? 4. So 4 is also a good pair, and then 4, 3, 4, 5. So which one is greatest? I mean maximum number? 5. So 5 is the greatest value in a path. So this one is also good, and 3, 1, 3. So 3 is already good, and again there is also a 3, so it is also a good pair. So how many pairs are there? 4. So you just have to return the 4. In the same way for this two and this two. So let's understand. On this question. Let's suppose there is given example 3, 1, 3, 4, 5, and there is given a 1. Okay. So between 3 is already a good. So the count value is 1. Okay. So the count value is 1. And between 3, 4, the maximum value is 4. So the 4 is also a good pair. So the count value will become 2. And for 3, 4, 5, the 5 is maximum value. So 5 is also a good pair. Okay. So you just have to count 2 equals to 3. And again 3, 1, 2. The 3 is maximum. So 3 is also a good pair. So it becomes 4. So you just have to return the count after this. Okay, so the count is 4 and this will return. Okay, so how can you do this? I will create a function count good node where I will pass the root count and root val and comparing it value with others. Okay, so let's do this. First I will create int count which is initially 0. Okay, and then I will check if root is not null. If it is null, then you just have to return null. Okay, and then I just create count good which will count the nodes root comma count comma root ka val. Okay, this will count and then return count. So I am creating the void count good function where I pass the tree node star root int count comma int maxwell. Okay, you just have to create root if root equals to null, then you just have to return. Okay, and again you just have to check if root ka val is greater than equals to max ka val, then you just have to do count plus plus comma max val equals to root ka val. And again I will call the function count good, which will pass root ka left and count comma maxwell. Okay, and again I will call the same function for right also, count good root ka right comma count comma maxwell. So I hope you understand this code. So let's run this. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this.